Welcome back, learners. Now I want to introduce you to the other source of carbon dioxide, which is a burning Jiko. When a charcoal burns in a stove or Jiko, three reactions occur in various regions, which are A, B, and C. And at region A, B, and C, you are required to explain what happens and write equations explaining, or you write equations for the reaction, for the three reactions. At region A, there is plenty of air that enters the Jiko. Remember, this is air, so it starts from that point at region A. So at A, if there is plenty of air, it means there is complete combustion. Plenty of air, complete combustion. And therefore, since we are dealing with carbon or charcoal, it means carbon burns in oxygen, sufficient oxygen in that case, giving us CO2, which is a gas, solid gas. We go to region B. At B, we have produced CO2 at this point. So CO2 now rises to region B. And it is at that point now the carbon dioxide produced at region A is reduced by the burning charcoal at this point. So the equation now is CO2 plus carbon we get, or is reduced to CO. Now it is matter of balancing. So you'll have, for you to balance the number of oxygens here is 2, there are 2, we have 1 here. So you have 2 there. So at this point now carbons are 2. So at this point you have 2. And then the state symbols, this is gas, this is solid, this is gas. Now here we have CO. If we have CO at that point, it rises now to region C. And at region C, there is enough oxygen. Therefore, this CO produced in region B burns at region C to form CO2. So we have now CO plus oxygen. At that point, we have enough oxygen burning to give us CO2. So how do we balance it? So we have oxygen here, there are 3, here we have 2, so we can add 2 there. So that will be 4, here we have 2 and 2 there. So this is gas also, this is gas. So this is how you are required to write the equations and explain. At region A we have plenty of air, therefore complete combustion occurs. At region B, the CO2 produced at A burns at B and is reduced to CO. And then at region C, the CO produced at region B burns in enough oxygen and therefore is oxidized to CO2. And these are the 3 equations. So what are the uses of carbon dioxide? Number 1, it is used as a fuel in fuel cells when mixed with hydrogen. So it is used as a fuel cells, but when mixed with hydrogen. And number 2, we can talk of as a reducing agent in a blast furnace for extracting iron from iron ore. So we talked about that, the reducing properties, so we can use it as a reducing agent in extraction of iron from iron core.